Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back, and today we are at the farm. We are coming to check out the Matt's build, find out what he's been doing on the Impala. I believe he's working on it now, doing the rack on the rear, so getting ready to put the juice kit in. We've got the UK Lowrider Nationals coming up in 2 weeks time, so we've got the Impala to do, and that's what he's doing now. It's my drama. I can add this in as drama, like, and Matthew forgot to put the terminal bars on. I won't do it. So, tack welding in the frame in a minute, making sure it's all nice, straight level. Look at him. What a beautiful guy.
I don't know whether to put it off centre. Just so you don't see it.
Nah,
I've covered it all up anyway, haven't I, this one? I guess I just need to tack on there really, but I don't really want to because there's batteries in there.
I've done it before and it melted like a little bit of the outer casing and I did shit myself. And what happens if you weld the batteries in, man?
Boom.
You get big boom.
Lovely jubbly that is, Baines.
Works a treat.
2 of them, please.
Skill and precision have led up to this moment. Measuring bars to go on batteries. Concentration in his face there.
So I just have to put that down. Somewhere else like there, maybe.
How many mats can you fit in the boot of an Impala? I can see. So the front rams are installed, lines running all through underneath the body, down through the A-arm, on the front with the hydraulic ram in the middle. So he's got the spring cups in there, hydraulic ram down the middle, adapters. Not just the front of the car or the back of the car that's getting worked on. We've also got a chrome fuel tank going in this, a couple of chrome bits on the side. Got a prop shaft with a slip yoke going back on, that's still at the manufacturer's getting tweaked in a minute. So that'll be coming back, I think, next week. Once that's installed and once the battery rack's welded in, wired up, solenoids fitted, be ready for a test drive. We'll see it soon. Boo.